What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel Thankyou AK. As we all know, it's been so long the S7 Edge has been released, but it's not so much less than the newly launched S8 in terms of everything like camera performance, the display quality, the hardware and the battery performance. So in this video, I'm going to compare the two phones in terms of everything. So let's get started. Firstly, talking about the form factor, the two phones are pretty much identical. Now talking about the phone's display, the S7 Edge have 5.5 inches Super AMOLED display, whereas the S8 have Infinity display of the size 5.8 inches, which is 0.3 inches larger than the S7 Edge. The pixels on the S7 Edge is Quad HD, making up to the PPI of 534, whereas the S8 have the Quad HD Plus display, which is 2960 by 1440 pixels, making up to the PPI of 570. Now, the Gorilla Glass technology on the S7 Edge is 4, whereas the S8 is combining with the Gorilla Glass 5 technology. And the new thing Samsung has introduced in the S8 is the no fingerprint sensor in the front of the phone. Like, the fingerprint sensor is now placed backside of the phone, and the home button is 3D touch instead of physical touch like before all of the Samsung Galaxy devices have. Now talking about the CPUs on the both phones, the S7 Edge comes with the two variants, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 and the Exynos 8890 Octa, whereas the S8 comes with two chipsets also, the Exynos 8895 Octa and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. S7 Edge have 4 cores clocked at 2.3 GHz plus 4 cores clocking at 1.6 GHz, whereas the S8 have 4 cores clocking at 2.35 GHz plus 4 cores clocking at 1.9 GHz, which is a little bit higher in terms of frequency rate. Now talking about the GPUs, the Exynos version of the S8 have Mali T880 MP12 GPU, which is 12 cores GPU, whereas the S8 have Mali G71 MP20, that's 20 cores GPU. So the S8 GPU have 8 extra cores for the graphic performance to push. Now talking about the RAMs, both the phones have 4 GB of RAM, but the technology changes. The S7 Edge having LPDDR4 RAM, whereas the S8 have LPDDR4X RAM, which means more efficiency with higher performance. The clock rate of the RAM is as 1794 MHz on the S7 Edge, whereas the 1866 MHz on the S8. So it's a little bit higher. Now talking about the internal storage of the phones, the S7 Edge comes with 32, 64 and 128 GB of internal storage, whereas the S8 only comes with the 64 GB variant. Now camera performance, the S7 Edge and the S8 both have the 12 megapixels camera sensor with OIS, LED flash, face detection, and the aperture size on the both phones cameras is similar. It is f/1.7. Talking about the front cameras, here the thing changes. The S7 Edge comes with a 5 megapixels front facing camera, whereas the S8 comes with the 8 megapixels front camera. The sensor size and the aperture is also identical in the front camera, which is f/1.7. Now talking about the Bluetooth technologies, the S7 Edge comes with Bluetooth 4.2, whereas the S8 comes with the Bluetooth 5.0. Now coming to the ports, the S7 Edge and the S8 both have 3.5 mm audio jack, But the thing changes when it comes to the USB port. The S7 Edge having micro USB 2.0, whereas the S8 having the 3.1 USB with a Type-C connector. Now coming to the battery performance, the S7 Edge comes with 3600 mAh battery, whereas the S8 comes with a 3000 mAh battery. That means S8 is little bit behind in the battery performance, but not so much because the new chipset have higher efficiency and the high performance in low battery mode. Now coming to the conclusion, the S7 Edge and the S8 both are great phones in terms of everything. The main thing is that what your needs. So the price of the S7 Edge in today's time is about 49,000 rupees in Indian market, whereas the S8 is selling at the price of about 57,000 rupees. As you're spending 50,000 rupees for purchasing the S7 Edge, if you can spend 7,000 rupees extra, then you can go for the S8 for sure. It's newer, brighter, and the display quality is super. Actually, after seeing the S8, you can purchase it due to the only reason it's infinity display. I've seen it, I've used it, it's super, and the optimization of the battery is not so bad in the S8, although it's a 3000 mAh battery, but it offers the phone's deliver power and the great optimization. You can actually watch so much videos and games without any quick battery drain. So here is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any further queries related to these phones, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.